Hello viewers. In this video lecture we are going to see a topic exception handling. This topic belongs to the first unit of object oriented programming using Java subject. Exception. Exception is an unexpected event that occurs during the execution of the program that may interrupt or disrupt the normal flow of instruction execution. Exceptions happen when the program encounters something it cannot handle. Common causes of exception include invalid input due to the file not found error, due to the network errors, due to the division by zero error, and due to the out of bound array index error. In Java, there are three types of exceptions: checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions, and error. Checked exceptions are caught during the compilation time. For example, IO exception is a checked exception. Unchecked exception occurs during the runtime. For example, null pointer exception is an example for unchecked exception. Error, this is out of memory error. Exception leads to error. Then exception handling mechanism is mainly used to detect and manage runtime errors, maintain normal flow of the program, provide graceful error recovery instead of crashing. Normally in Java, there are 5 keywords or blocks are used to handle exceptions. They are try block, catch block, finally block, throw keyword, throws keyword. Try block is the block where we will place all the coding that may cause exception. The try block must be followed either by catch or finally. It means we can't use the try block alone. Catch block. Catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be preceded by the try block, which means we can't use the catch block alone. That is, if exception arises in the try block, the coding necessary to handle the exception will be placed in the catch block. Then the finally block is used to execute the important code of the program. It is executed whether an exception handled or not. Throw is the keyword used to throw an exception. Throws keyword is used to declare exceptions. It doesn't throw an exception. It specifies that there may occur an exception in the method. Let us see the situations that may cause us the exception. For example, arithmetic exception. If we are declaring a variable arithmetic operation like this, int a equal to 50 divided by 0. Here we are trying to divide a number by 0. So if you are trying to divide a number by 0, division by 0 error may cause. So this leads to arithmetic exception. Null pointer exception. We are declaring a string with the null value, that is we don't have any valid string content in our variable yes. Then we are trying to apply length property to the string. So if we try to apply length property to the string, this could lead to null pointer exception because our string don't have any value, don't have any valid string. The number format exception. Again we are having a string with the value abc. Then we are applying a integer.parseInt, that is typecasting method to our string. We are trying to convert our string into integer. This may lead to number format exception. Similarly, we can see an example program for handling exception. We are having a program with the class name multiple catch block 1. We have started the public static void method. We are having a try block. The try block is the block where we have to put all the coding that may cause exception. So in our coding we are having some mistakes. That is, we are declaring an array with the size 5. After that we are trying to get value for the array with the index 6. This is actually an error. That is, our total array index may vary from 0 to 4. That is, only the size of our array is 5 elements. So we are trying to modify the 6th index. So it leads to array out of bound index error. Also in the right hand side we are doing an arithmetic operation 30 divided by 0, which could also leads to an error arithmetic exception. So here we are going to have the catch blocks corresponds to the exceptions, to handle the exceptions. First of all, we are having the catch block to handle arithmetic expression. So to handle the arithmetic exception, we are just printing a statement, arithmetic exception occurs. That is, if catch block produces the exception, if the try block produces the exception, the corresponding catch block will be handling the exception. So here definitely the arithmetic exception will arise. So this catch block will be executed. Similarly, we are having another one catch block to handle array index out of bound exception. So in our coding also, this error might occur. So this catch block will be executed. So we will get the notification statement array index out of bound exception. Also, we are having another one catch block, user defined catch block, that is, we are printing parent exception occurs. Then we are having a finally statement, finally block. Finally block will be executed regardless of exception arises or not. So we are printing a simple statement, rest of the code. So this is the execution window. Here, when we execute the program first time, arithmetic exception occurs. So the corresponding catch block will be executed, the statement printed, finally block printed. And during the second time of the execution, array index out of bound exception occurs, the statement catch block statement printed, and the finally block statement, rest of the code printed. So in this way, Java having the facility to handle the exception. Thank you.